Welp, everybody. Sad news. The oof is officially gone. And here's proof. Yep. See, it's not an oof anymore. It's a duh. Apparently now. The oof is officially gone, guys. I'm gonna miss the sound. It's become a big meme on the internet. And now it's gone from Roblox. I know you guys will miss that sound that we always hear on Roblox. But now, I guess we'll have to get used to this new sound. But, I will still be playing Roblox, even though the sound has changed, the deaf sound. But yeah, I'll still be playing Roblox. It's still a fun game to me. Even though I heard that most people do not like this new deaf sound. But I guess we're just gonna have to try to get used to it. Which what I'll do as well. I'll try to get used to that sound. But I'll still miss the oof.